Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Yes, fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am also absolutely fine. Okay, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
In our computer graphic chapter, yesterday we learned about Adobe Photoshop. Okay, can anyone explain me what Adobe Photoshop is, where is it used, and why it is important?
Yes, sir. Photoshop is an image editing software developed by Adobe. It is used to edit, enhance, and manipulate digital images.
Very good, Ayush. Can someone mention some practical use of Photoshop?
Yes, sir. Photoshop is used to crop photos, adjust color and brightness, remove unwanted object, design poster, create advertisement, and professionally edit images.
Ashriya, can you add another importance of Photoshop?
Yes, sir. Photoshop is widely used by photographer, graphic designer, media professional, and content creator to produce high-quality visual content.
Now, can anyone tell me a practical task that we perform using Photoshop in our daily lives?
Yes, sir. We can create passport size photos using Photoshop. Passport size photos are mainly required for skill admission forms, examination forms, job applications, citizenship documents, and many other official purposes.
That's true. Sometimes we need passport size photo urgently, and Photoshop helps us to prepare them quickly and efficiently. It is useful because we can prepare professional passport size photos ourselves without visiting a photo studio. We can also save both time and money.
Can you all demonstrate how to create a passport size photo using Photoshop?
Yes,
Before we start editing, what do we need first?
We need a clear and high quality photograph.
Which photo are we going to use today?
we will use one exercise photo as our sample.
Supreme, can you show us the first step?
Yes, sir. First, you open Adobe Photoshop and then open the selected photograph. After opening the photo, we check whether the image is properly visible or not. If necessary, we adjust brightness, contrast, and exposure to improve the image quality.
We can also adjust sharpness if needed. However, this photograph is already clear, so no additional adjustment is required.
What should we do next?
Next, we use the crop tool to focus on the face and remove unnecessary background areas.
Excellent. A passport size photo must have the correct dimension. Can anyone explain how to set them?
Yes, sir. We select the crop tool and enter required dimension. For example, we can use 35 mm by 45 mm or any size specified by the institution. We should carefully check the required dimension because the different organizations may have different requirements.
The face will be clearly visible, the expressions will be natural, and the backgrounds will be suitable for an official document.
Many official passport size photos are require a plain background. How can we change it in Photoshop?
We can use the pen tool to select the subject and then remove it from the background.
After selecting the subject, we remove the existing background and create a new white background layer.
Then we place the subject on the white background and refine the edges if necessary. A plain white background helps the photo meet requirements of many official documents.
Very good. This makes the photo look professional and suitable for official use. Once the passport size photo is ready, what should we do next?
We should create a new document with a standard photo paper size and place multiple copies of passport size photo on it.
equal spacing between the photos for a neat and professional appearance.
We should also check that the print settings matches the paper size before printing.
This is a common practice in photo studio. Finally, how do we save the complete work?
We click File, then Save As and save the file in JPEG or PNG format.
We can also save the project as a PSD file so that it can be edited later.
Excellent. Before printing, we should preserve the document to ensure that the photo size and layout are correct.
This is our final result.
Today we learn how to create a passport size photo in Photoshop by opening an image, adjusting it, cropping it to the correct size, changing the background, arranging multiple copies and saving the final result.
We also learned how Photoshop can help us to complete practical tasks efficiently.
This is very useful skill because passport size photos are needed for many official purposes.
This activity improved our image editing skills.
It also shows us how to prepare professional looking photos.
And how to save time and money by creating passport size photos ourselves.
Okay, you are welcome. Keep practicing Photoshop and use it creatively and responsibly.